Hello everyone. My name is Vijayata Sethia and I am a numerologist, a tarot card reader, a Reiki healer. I'm a numerologist, a tarot card reader, a Reiki healer, an angel therapist, a numerologist. I'm sorry, somehow I went live on the group instead of coming here on the page. I'm extremely sorry for the confusion that has been created by me. I'm extremely sorry, Anju ma'am. Anyways, since now I'm here, I guess I should get starting now. All right. I am Vijayata Sethia. I'm sorry I'm giving my intro again. I am Vijayata Sethia from Being Foresighted. That's my page. And I have been connected to the She Connects family from since very long. And I always feel that Anju ma'am has been one mentor who has always supported and I guess empowered each one of us here. So my heartfelt gratitude to you, ma'am, for always standing up and empowering us and giving us that direction to work ahead. I am grateful and I'm really thankful for you. Coming back to what I was actually talking there, I was talking about the difference between numerology and tarot. Tarot is basically a deck of 78 cards. This is the deck. This is the basic deck that we use, and numerology is more about your date of birth, how we use your date of birth and how important or how relevant is your date of birth for how relevant is your date of birth for what relevance it does it does make in your life, and वही date of birth आपको क्यों मिली है, the science behind it, I'm sorry for the confusion. I'm a little goofed up here, and because of the whole confusion I had created, I'm really sorry for that. So anyone, I am here with my cards. Anyone who has any question which is related to tarot or numerology, I'm here to deliver. I'm here to take up all your questions. Just one thing, whenever you question, write your question, write the full name, date of birth of the person along with that, and your question, right? Thank you, ma'am. Hi, Timsi. Yes. Yeah, I know. I'm just a little, a little. Because of the whole confusion being created by me, I'm so sorry for that. Anyways, I'm still here. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay. Vineet Arora, 21st of December, 1976. General reading. Vineet Arora, I think there is something that there are a lot of hidden things going on around you. Hidden things as in things which aren't very clear, or underlying things, probably health of your mother and health of your father has been the utmost priority in your life at the present, I feel. And somehow things aren't very clear. You feel there is something wrong, but वो क्लैरिटी नहीं है, अभी भी लाइफ में नहीं है, एंड प्रॉबली आने वाले टाइम में टिल अगस्त यू विल नॉट बी गेटिंग दैट क्लैरिटी ऑल्सो. जस्ट रिलैक्स and go and let it go with the flow. There is nothing bad going to happen, that is for sure, but things may go a little tipsy topsy. Just be careful that they don't fall, get hurt, the spine or the back is affected. Please just take care of that doesn't happen. Rest, it seems fine. All right. That was for Vineet Arora. Richa general reading. Richa Arora, 11th of February 1980, a general reading. Okay. All right. See, Richa, I feel there is a lot of changes going on inside you, both I guess physically, mentally, and even psychologically. A lot of changes around you, and you're adapting very well. But the time may not be too smooth, because you always have a mental tussle with you, and that mental tussle, you along, I mean, either the children are with you, or your husband is, carried along with that mental tussle. So just relax yourself, and make that movement, or the transition that you are undergoing, make that transition a little smoother if you relax, if you don't, let the present energy overpower you. I hope that made sense with you, because whatever you are going to achieve in life, you will for sure, but it will take time. It's not going to be very easy, and it's not going to be laid on a plate and given out to you. So you'll have to relax yourself, and just trust the flow of life, and I guess hope things would be much better, right? Richa, hi Revti, hi Sia, hi Priya. General reading for me. All right. 31st of January 1992. Priya Chaudhary. General. Okay. Priya, there is a time always in your life when you are very at the peak of your, you're having the best of your time, and that very second, the next moment, you are the lowest. I mean, it's like a wave. It goes up and it comes down, and it goes up and it comes down. You need to control that, dear, because I feel you have everything in your life, but still there is something lagging in you, something you're not able to fulfill, that part inside you. I don't know what is it. Emotional level pay. Don't get paranoid by anything that happens to you emotionally, or on the emotional level. Please, there is always a positive and a negative aspect of everything. Understand that. Everything, I mean everything. So every relationship or every situation will bring a positive effect and a negative effect. It's just how much you grasp that positive and how much you grasp the negative, that will actually lead ahead. Understand that point, right, Priya? Because I feel that you may not be in a good mental state in the next coming few months. Please take care of yourself. Don't let that anxiety, or don't let that those frustrations, or that emotional turmoil overpower you. Don't let that happen. If you control it, I guess it'll be the journey would smoothen up, right, Priya? That was for you. Hi Neeti, Sia. All right. 31st of August 1985. General. Sia, I feel that there is going to be some sort of financial crunch going on, either presently or in the next coming few months. But that should not obstruct you or hassle you too much, because I feel that it's not for a very long period of time. It would be difficult, yes, things would move at their own pace, but it will smoothen up, and I'll just tell you how long is that. Say somewhere around October, or this October, November, I guess that would be the time period where it'll start smoothing up, because there is a lot of exchange of finances happening presently. Exchange of finances means either investment in a new business or something, or buying a property or something like that. All this is probably happening, due to which there could be a little slump in the finance part of your life. So but it's not for very long. Like I said, it'll, like, you'll be able to cross that part by October. Things would be much better, and your relationship with your husband would be at a very good state by after October, right, Sia? Okay. Richa Arora wants a general reading for Garvit Arora, 12th of August 2003. He seems to be in a very different state. He wants to try, he wants to work hard, he wants to, put his best forward, but somehow, I don't know what happens, and he ends up doing nothing. It's like he leaves things to the last moment, and वो burden एकदम से पूरा का पूरा आ जाता है, that he is not able to, he's not able to actually take that burden, और संभाल नहीं पाता वो burden को. He needs to delegate. He needs to be very disciplined in his work if he actually wants to succeed, because I feel that is going to be a problem even for the next coming 3-4 months. Like, you may be in a state of, like, you may try to ask him, or you may try to even help him out, but he would be distracted, and he will not be in the mood to even take that help from you. So I think he needs your attention more as of now. Attention and emotional support, these two he needs very badly, at least till September. So perfectly he needs that, and after September I think he would be in a better frame of mind to conceptualize things, right? Richa? Repti Bharera, general reading, 31st of August 1995. Okay. See, Repti, I think you were probably on that verge. Probably when this COVID thing started, you had plans to travel abroad or something, or settling abroad, or going for higher studies or something like that, which has put on a standstill, which has not moved. I mean, वो उसी जगह पे रुक गया है, थम गया है, and you aren't able to make that movement. And एक a new approach, you have to make a new approach for things that are going to happen in the next coming few months, I would say. So वो new approach, probably an investment somewhere, or a new job, or a new business is definitely on cards. But be very sure before you actually start investing money, because I feel that somehow you will again be in two minds, and it will end up going nowhere. So if you ever think that yes, I need to start this, or I need to go ahead with this, then be very, very sure about it, and only then go ahead. Right, Revati? Okay, just a minute. Okay, where is Revati? Right, Revati? So be very sure, because there is no point अगर आप two minds हो, and you won't be able to actually complete the whole thing out, or complete the whole project out. So that makes no point. And I do see an obstacle coming up from a specific mate. Could be your father, or someone who is a father figure. This person will not want you to go ahead with it. Whatever is it, be sure, and only then go ahead. Right, Revati? That was for you. Okay, let's shuffle them up now. Kulhanda, 11th of January 1996. अंजू मैम, आपने गोकुल हांडा के बारे में पूछा है. इन 1996, हैज़ देयर बीन सम बैक इश्यूज और बैक प्रॉब्लम्स विद हिम रिसेंटली? issues with the lower back or the spine specifically. Has he fallen down or something? Because if not, then please be very careful. And also I feel he needs to, I mean, there has been a heartbreak for him. Either a relationship has ended. It is about a relationship. So he is not in the right frame of mind right now, I feel things are, and he is extremely stuck up in this situation, and he wasn't expecting all this to happen, and जो हुआ है वो एकदम से हुआ है. Though he knows he has his back, okay, no, he does not have. All right, then just be careful if he does not have any back related issues. But heartbreak, yes, he has had a heartbreak, and I feel that things, or there is something which has, actually hit him too hard. Someone who has ditched him, and he has, I mean, that those things has not gone down too well with him, and he feels extremely stuck in the situation. एक होता है ना कि एक इंसान ऐसा फंस चुका है जिसको समझ नहीं आ रहा कि मुझे रास्ता मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा. दो ही वुड फाइंड अ वे, and finding a way would come from other people. I mean, you will actually have to show him you actually have to show him the way ahead, because it will take time for him to move out from this situation, but he will move out, that is for sure. It will be a life changing thing for him, definitely. Yes, life changing. Take. All right, it won't take too long for him. He may come back on the track in the next coming 2 months, but you have to keep a checkup on him regularly, because the falling back into it may be, I mean, also possible that he may fall into the same cycle again. Yes, that's possible. Okay. Timsi Madan, 16th of April 1979. General. Timsi, I feel you're trying too hard to accomplish something, on the professional front. It has been, you're picking each and every straw one by one, trying to complete things on your end and waiting for the results to happen. Yes, the results would be beneficial if you're looking up for some sort of promotion or increment. Yes, that is definitely there in cards. That was with Timsi Madan. Are you here with me, Timsi? All right. I don't think so she's here. Okay. So basically what I was saying is, financial gains is definitely on cards in the next coming few months. It could be on the professional front, that is increment in the increment in your salary, and a better future, definitely a better future. But you need to keep the fiery element in your body a little low. Fiery element as in, if you are facing problems with digestion, please try and substitute it with all those things जो कि ठंडी तासीर के होते हैं, जैसे लस्सी, छाछ हो गया. Try and have that mode and keep the fiery element in your body a little low. I mean, that is the advice for you. If possible, do not use the color red also. I don't know why I'm getting a feeling you should not use red. Right, Timsi? About his career. Anju ma'am, I'll give a reading for that alag se and I'll message it to you. I'll do that. Chirag, 19th of February 1999. Neeti, I feel he is very hot-headed, extremely hot-headed, and he is one person who needs to get everything done. कि सब कुछ try करना है, मुझे तो सब कुछ ही करना है. I don't know what's wrong, but you need to be Neeti, you need to be careful about the company he keeps. Very, very careful. Just keep a check, because I feel he may try to attempt to do a lot of things with new things. He may try to get into new things with the company he is, like his friends and all. Then they may try and club up and start something new, a new venture or something. But if there are more than 3 or 4 people, it will not work. So preferably, if he does go ahead with that, keep it very precise. I mean, not more than 2 or 3 people, not more than that. जैसे कहते हैं ना कि 2 is company, 3 is a crowd. It's going to be like that. They may end up fighting the whole time. Are you here with me, Neeti? Yeah. Okay, they have started, but just be careful, keep a check, because मुझे लगता है ये ना ज़्यादा टाइम तक चलने वाला नहीं लग रहा मुझे. I feel कि they'll end up fighting and it will get over it. But there is one more thing which I need to tell you, that he has someone in his life. There is probably a love interest with him, because initially when I took out cards, that was the first thing that came up. So you can have a chit chat with him. He's very responsible. Otherwise, he's not someone who would be irresponsible and just go ahead with doing anything. That way, he's very, very responsible, and he knows you as a person, and you are one of a role model for him, and he takes you as someone. Yes, I know I have my mother at my back, but I also know that I have a lot of responsibilities and I need to prove it out to her. It is something like that. Yeah. So that's great if you know that. So either way, I think just be careful. Just tell him not to get into a lot of controversy with these people, because I don't think so this will continue for very long. I'll just check how long will it continue. It will not continue other more than 3 months. 3 months se upar this should not. And probably he would be the one who would be the most affected by it, and you will have to take care of that. Please take care of that. And then he can start off something with his father, or someone who is like a father figure, like something जो कि जैसे कहते हैं ना hereditary या पुश्तैनी है, तो he can start something like that. Something with them, and that would be more fruitful. But again, I think he'll take time to settle. Right, Neeti, that was for you. Where is Neeti? All right. Okay. Richa Arora, the Tarni Arora, 18th of July 2007. There is, you don't need to worry about her. She seems to be very settled. She is very, very connected with her father, and probably that's her, she always relies back on him, that everything. But emotionally a little turbulent. She'll sway up where her emotions will go. She'll sway that way only. She'll not use the practical mind. As of now, she is not going to. But I don't see any problematic thing. She's settled and very happy and content with whatever she's getting. Very, very cool as a person. And I don't think so there is something you should worry about, but except for something in far-fetched future that is again related to something that is very far. So you don't have to bother now. Right now, she seems to be very content and very happy in her state. Though she tends to get disheartened very quickly with little things that bother her, but she's quick to make a big comeback also. Right, Richa, that was for Tarini Arora. Okay. Okay. Rakesh Kumar Saini, a general training for Shakti Nath Saini, 25th of September 1996. Okay. Um, he seems to be someone at present. Just, are you trying to set him up, or are you trying to put him up in some sort of work or business related thing? That's what I see is going to happen, or is presently taking place. You're trying to place him somewhere, in some probably some work, business types, some business sort of investment. You're trying to build it up, but be very sure whether he himself is interested in doing it or not, because if he is not interested in doing it, it may not go on for very long. Things would be much better once he meets someone, once he gets meets the girl he's going to marry. I feel that would be a turning point in his life, and he would be more focused and more, how do I put this, more focused on gaining, settling and gaining that base for himself, which doesn't seem to be now. It's all your efforts that you're trying to put him up or set him up or things, but on his own efforts, he's always distracted. He's always up to something else is going on in his mind. Need to be very careful कि wherever you put him, just be careful that he is he himself wants to do it. That's the only thing that you need to take care of. Right? Rakesh Kumar Saini, that was for Shakti. Between my husband and his brother. Okay. Husband's date of birth is 28th December 1958. Issue between husband and his brother. When will it get solved? Mamta Bhatia, I think it will get solved not this year, next year, somewhere around in May के आसपास, and that will also be under intervention of someone who is higher than, who has higher authority than your husband and his brother. I mean, it could be their father or someone who has more power. लीगल टर्म्स पे भी ये चीज़ बढ़ सकती है, तो इट कैन ऑल्सो बी लाइक इट मे गो टिल द कोर्ट और समथिंग, वो चीज़ भी हो सकती है. इट इज़ पॉसिबल, बट इट विल गेट सेटल डाउन बाय मे, नेक्स्ट ईयर मे. राइट ममता जी. विशाली पुनी जैन, 4 नवंबर 1995. खुशियाँ कब मिलेंगी? खुशियाँ हमेशा आपके साथ होती है. इट्स जस्ट वी क्लोज आवरसेल्व्स. हम अपने आप को बंद कर लेते हैं खुशियों के लिए. We let the negative part overpower us, and that is why जब वो नेगेटिव पार्ट हमारे पर ओवर पावर होता है, तो जो पॉजिटिव है वो कहीं दबता जाता है. तो उस पॉजिटिव पार्ट को नेगेटिव पार्ट पे ओवर पावर करने की ज़रूरत है, विशाली, एंड नथिंग एल्स. द मोमेंट द पॉजिटिव्स ओवर पावर द नेगेटिव्स, खुशियाँ अपने आप सामने आएंगी. थोड़ा ना आउट ऑफ बॉक्स सोचना सीखो. हर चीज़ प्लेट में सजी हुई ज़रूरी नहीं है आपको मिलेगी. यू हैव टू स्ट्राइव हार्ड टू गेट इट. आई होप यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग माई पॉइंट. एंड समटाइम्स वी आर हियर जस्ट टू गेन द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ ऑल द डिफ़िकल्टीज़. ये डिफ़िकल्टीज़ भी हमें कुछ ना कुछ लेसन्स तो देती है ना. वो लेसन्स लेने के लिए कई बार हम आए होते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड दैट, एंड प्रॉब्लली यू आर हियर, बट द मोमेंट ओपन योर आर्म्स एंड ग्रास्प इट, क्लच इट into yourself, and you say ki nahi, I am open and I'm ready to receive all whatever the life is out to give me, you will see your perception changing and your viewpoint also changing. Vishali, seriously, try it once. Okay, Vineet wants to ask about Raima Arora, 3rd of September 2008. You need to take care of her health in the sense bone health. मुझे लगता है थोड़ी सी बोन से रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. इफ़ शी इज़ टर्निंग इनटू ओवरवेट पर्सन, प्लीज़ गेट अ चेक. थोड़ा increase the exercise routine of hers, and slowly she'll come back to a very, you know, a very chubby. Otherwise नहीं तो क्या होगा, she'll become very chubby and probably gain some bone related problems. Please be careful of that and tell her to continue any sort of physical activity that she can. अगर नहीं तो घर के अंदर ही उसको try to work her out inside the house only, and she does stuff with that. Otherwise I feel somehow her attention is always diverted on two ends. दो तरफ attention की जो energy है ना वो flow out होती जा रही है and वो grasp नहीं कर पाती, वो hold नहीं कर पाती उस energy को. So I think that it will take time, and it's also about the age that she is in, but give her the support. She needs that badly, and once she'll outgrow this age factor, age वाला जो teenage वाली चीज़ें हैं, she'll be out of that. I think she'll be more settled and more balanced. Someone who is a complete changed person from what she is right now. You will not recognize her when she grows up कि अच्छा ये यही थी, ये वही थी जो इतनी तंग करती थी. बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगेगा आपको. That was for Vineet. Raima Arora. Okay, Ritu, relationship, 7th February 1991. Okay. See, Ritu, I feel you are more overpowering in this relationship than him. Some people do not express the way you want them to express. Understand that. And probably this is what the situation is right now with you. You want him to be the way you express things, how you express your love. That's not possible for each and every person. He has a different way. He's more practical, you're more emotional, and you're more जैसे कहते हैं ना stubborn and stern on receiving that part. Please let loose also sometimes. You don't always have to clutch that person so tight that it becomes suffocating for him. Let loose for some time and give him that space. You don't always have to keep hovering over him. As for what you have asked me about, does that person love you? Of course he does love you, but it's just his way of showing that love is completely different from what is yours. I hope you understood that. All right. Shweta, 14th of November 1982. Seems fine, Shweta. I think you're going at a very good pace in life. Things were difficult, but you handled that with lots of patience and everything. You've done it wonderfully, amazingly well. And even in the coming future, though they could be, if I say what the amount of returns would be exactly the amount of hard work you are going to put in. the amount of hard work would be like 100%, you'll get 100% returns, and the hard work would be like 40%. That was the returns are you're going to get. It's going to be very, very fair in the next coming few months, very fair. But in the end, what you're actually wanting and achieving is a very happy, content family. You're going to get that, so you don't have to worry about it at all. That was for Shweta. Just give me a minute, just drink some water. Okay. Rakesh Kumar Saini, a general reading from Antar Jyoti Saini, 14th of October 1994. General reading, right. Okay. She seems to be someone who is different, someone who is out there to, you know, make my parents proud, and show it out to the world that yes, I am here and I am here to, you know, though her approach to life is completely different from what you actually expect her. Like she must have studied in a different subject and maybe doing work completely opposite to that, because that's how her nature is. She doesn't like going with the conventional part of life. She likes doing unconventional things, and that's her forte. She'll do wonderfully well. Agar मैं career wise देखूँ तो she'll do amazingly well in the next coming 12 months. That is 1 year. You'll see a gradual change or a gradual, you know, this the जो हम कहते हैं ना एक flight जा रही है, slowly moving up. That is what I see her going amazingly well. You don't have to worry about her at all. Just that when you're trying to look out for a guy for her, that'll create a problem, because she'll not, the conventional things are not going to like, she's not going to like them. She likes all the unconventional things. That was for Jyoti Saini, right? Okay. Himani, first general reading, present and future. Okay, 24th of February 1998. Himani. Himani, there is some amount of hereditary finances which you are going to get. It could be property, it could be even some sort of help from your ancestors, जिसे हम कहते हैं, या हमारे पेरेंट्स से हमें जो प्रॉपर्टी हमें मिलती है, you may or you could be getting that amount of finances जो आपका शेयर है, you would be getting that, or support from them, either of it. You would be getting that, जो कि आपको अभी फ़िलहाल ज़रूरत भी है. I feel that you need it. That is why you're getting it. And but be careful, maintain the savings so that you don't let it flow out the moment it comes in. Try and collect, save finances for the future, because I feel after some time there would be a time where you would be needing these finances. तो प्लीज़ जो भी आपको मिले अभी उसको प्लीज़ संभाल के रखना. इधर उधर आलतू फालतू जगह पे प्लीज़ इन्वेस्ट मत करना right now. That was for हिमानी भाटिया. Thank you, Priya. Vishali, I've already given you a reading. Thank you, Sia. Thank you, Revati. Hina. 30th of July 1992. Hina Kukreja. You can do Reiki, but I feel if you do Reiki, you will not be able to, you know, control the energy of it. Though it'll be good. You would be मतलब 1-2 levels करना initially, क्योंकि I don't see you being a very sustainable person जो कि उस practice को actually sustain कर पाए. I'm sorry, I don't want to deviate you from doing it, because I personally do it, so I know how beneficial Reiki is for each one of us and how helpful it can be, even personally. So Hina, I'm not trying to deviate you, but you can get a healing done from someone for your problems. Yes, you can do that. And if you want, you can just do 1 or 2 levels. Yes, but if you're thinking on those terms of going ahead with Reiki and then yourself becoming a healer, you're not the type of person, at least right now, though I don't think so. Henna, that was for henna. Ritu Balyan, future career plans that I have in mind. 4th of August 1989. Okay. You are whatever you're planning. It's not completely you. There is someone along with you. I see a male around you. That is for Ritu Balyan. There is a male, very strong male energy around you who is actually making things happen with you, or making this whole career plan or project, whatever you're into, making it happen. Yes, you would be starting that very, very soon, and it's going to be very fruitful. Though financially, yes, amazingly fruitful financially, and but just be careful that whatever gains you have from that, give a part of money to charity. I don't know why I'm saying that, but I feel that you need to give from whatever this project is, whatever the career plan is. I'm not saying it'll it'll definitely go amazingly, but there is something which is telling me that you should put some part of the money in for charity from this, at least the initial sum time, like 4 months to 6 months, जो भी part उसमें लगे, just assign a little part of it for charity, and I guess it will bloom. It was actually bloom. The returns you would be getting in the next how long? Let me see. It returns would be very quick, but just be careful. There could be a crash down also in between. Very, very careful about that. Okay, he's your mentor. Yes. So this figure probably professionally, I feel there could be some disruption between the two of you, and then things may again work up. Probably, I'm sorry to say that, but जो मुझे पैसेज दिख रहा है वहाँ पे मुझे एक डिसरप्शन होके I see you starting afresh again with the new energy and going ahead alone. Though initially अगर ये starting में सबके, I mean it's in the start with him, but I feel it may not carry on for very long. Great, that's great if you do that, but I feel it may not carry on for too long, and then it may be a disruption, and then you may start again on your own with the whole project. So that is there. Though initially if I see at a far-fetched future, it will do well. You will get very good returns. I lost where I was. Give me a minute. Okay. Okay. Yes, here I am. Somehow I guess I skipped Kulvinder Kaur, 9th of July 1983, future career. (1983) future career seems fine. You would do something along on the family terms only. It could be a family business, you would be joining that. Either of that, it would be good. It would be good, but I don't see that carrying it for very long. That's the only thing. I feel it may, with the passage of time, they may, the whole project may bifurcate. I mean, जैसे कहते हैं ना कि बंटवारा हो जाता है टाइप्स, वो चीज़ मुझे ज़्यादा दिख रही है बाय द एंड ऑफ 2022. मतलब अभी भी टाइम है. 2022 इज़ लाइक 2 years फ्रॉम नाउ. बट उसके जो इफ़ेक्ट्स हैं ना, द इफ़ेक्ट्स और जैसे कहते हैं फूड डलने के, और वो सब बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस ईयर तक दिखना शुरू हो जाएगा आपको. दिस वॉज फॉर कुलविंदर कौर, राइट. ईरा 12th of June 1995, relationship and career reading. Ira, I feel relationship wise, you've always been a content person, someone who is, I like myself and I'm okay with that and I am comfortable with that, someone like that. And it is very difficult for you to actually, anyone else to actually pull you out from this particular zone. But of lately, I feel your approach to life has changed, completely changed. And that has also been the effect of this, I guess, COVID thing that has happened here. Please take care of yourself, as I feel there are a lot of things that you want to do in life. There are n number of things, there's so many opportunities you want to grab, but somehow due to, I don't know what, there is some lagging inside, or there is some vacuum inside you, due to which you are not able to grab the opportunities which actually come presently, or in the next coming few months, which may come. So please be careful of that. And don't think too much. The thoughts can sometimes be very, very chaotic and can create more trouble for you. So please don't think too much about what will happen in the future. क्या on होगा, कैसे होगा, मैं कैसे करूँगी. Do not think that. And once you let this, these thoughts to settle, if you settle them up, things would be more better. Career front pe, they would, though the abhi personally I feel it hasn't been too good, and it has been a little low lying and you aren't very comfortable there, but it'll bounce back. It'll definitely bounce back, and bounce back with the bank. You would start something new, a new project, or a new job, or something, or some new venture from your end. You're going to do that, and it'll give you very good returns. Just take care of the emotional part of your health. That's it. Rest is all fine. That was for Ira. Okay. All right. Praveen Thiru. Praveen, you have not written your date of birth. It's a little difficult for me to connect without the date of birth. Shubham Chaudhary, 10th of July 1998. Career. Okay. Career seems a little low-lying, Priya, of Shubham. A little low-lying. He's not affected. He's closed himself. He's not communicating, but it'll bounce back. Probably he'll start something, or someone may enter into his life, some girl may enter into his life, and things would be different. After that, I see him more focused, more towards it, but will he achieve what he wants to achieve? I'm a little doubtful of that. For that, he needs some time. He needs a minimum of an year or two. 2 years, definitely he needs to actually bring his plans into action. That was for Shubham Chaudhary. Jyoti, 13th of June 1988. Jyoti, I feel there is I feel you're surrounded with two male energies. One with whom you're emotionally connected, and the second is someone who is trying to obstruct your path, is not letting you go, make that movement in life ahead, and you're stuck there. आपको, yeah, probably it's your husband with whom you have an emotional connect, there is another person. Someone not exactly inside the family, but someone very close to you. So you need to, actually settle things down between these two male energies and then go ahead. Only then things would be smoother on your end. Otherwise, एक emotional turmoil आपके अंदर हमेशा चलता रहेगा. Always, it will always be there, and you will always be rotating around these two persons. I hope it did click somewhere with you. That was for Jyoti. Okay, here we have Praveen. I have reading. Trying to get a job in a company where I did my internship. 22nd April 1994. Praveen Thiru. I don't think so you'll get it there, but wherever you will get, it will be better than the first one. I mean, जहाँ पे भी आप इंटर्नशिप कर रहे हो, जिस भी कंपनी में आपकी जॉब लगेगी, इट विल बी बेटर दैन द राइट वन. आई मीन जहाँ पे आप अभी कर रहे हो उससे बेटर होगी. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. अगर मैं उस एस्पेक्ट से देखूँ कि हाँ मॉनेटरी टर्म्स पे की सैलरी एंड ऑल विल बी ऑल्सो बेटर, सो यू डोंट हैव टू वरी. अगर यहाँ नहीं लगेगी तो जहाँ पे भी नेक्स्ट लगेगी, इट वुड बी बेटर दैन दिस. राइट प्रवीण? Okay. Neha Sharma Pandit, my current job promotion, when will it happen? Okay, 5th of February 1983. Neha Sharma Pandit. Promotion should definitely happen, Neha. And it will happen this year only. Though there would be a lot of oppositions around you कि नहीं यहाँ नहीं, not here, this should not be, she is not, but I guess you deserve it. Whatever you're getting, you deserve it. Though there are people around you to actually pull you down, they don't want you to get this promotion, but anyhow you would be getting this promotion. Neha, this year only. Neha Sharma. Kulvinder, I have already answered your question dear. Revati, Dheeraj Barera. 15th of April 1999. Dheeraj Barera, 15th of April 1999. Dheeraj. Revati ji, I think there has been some problem with him in the past. He seems to be very low, or there some psychological problems, like was he depressed or something? Though in the past, though I feel now he isn't, but the movement or that एक होता है ना ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस, ही सीम्स टू बी वेरी ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट इट. दो पीपल अराउंड हिम सपोर्ट हिम दैट वेज, इट्स नॉट दैट दे डोंट, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू सेटिंग अप द करियर पार्ट वाली जो चीज़ होगी ना, दैट विल टेक टाइम in the sense that he may have two minds कि मैं करूँ ना करूँ, अभी करूँ बाद में करूँ, वो वाले डबल माइंडेड वाले थॉट्स बहुत रहेंगे, बट इवेंचुअली ही विल when give him some time. I guess in the next coming 3 months he would decide and he would go ahead with his plan of action, whatever he wants to go ahead with. Right, Revati ji? Okay. Vandana, 13th of January 1990. My in-laws are not accepting me since we are married. See, Vandana, I think that acceptance will not come so early until and unless you conceive or you have a child in future. Once you have that, that acceptance will come only after that, not before that. I mean, and now it's totally up to you when do you plan to actually have a kid, right? So I guess that served your answer. I guess I answered you. Ankur, business growth is possible if my job started on business. 12th of December 1988. Ankur Kashyap. अंकुर बिल्कुल पॉसिबल है, बट यू वुड नीड लॉट ऑफ सपोर्ट फ्रॉम योर फैमिली, लॉट ऑफ सपोर्ट. बट इट विल टेक टाइम इन द सेंस कम से कम 1 साल लगेगा वो ग्रोथ को या उस बिजनेस को प्रॉपर तरीके से सेट होकर, या मूवमेंट, वो पूरा का पूरा प्रोसेस जो है, इट डजंट सीम वेरी वेरी ईजी. वो आसान बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. टसल्स अभी भी होंगे, दो थोड़े टाइम के बाद, लाइक फ्रॉम अक्टूबर ऑनवर्ड्स थोड़ा चीज़ें सेटल ज़रूर हो जाएंगी. बट अगर आप ये सोचो कि ये सेटल हो गया तो थिंग्स आर ऑल फाइन, नो, आई डोंट थिंक सो. दैट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. थिंग्स वुड अगेन बी अनसेटल फॉर द नेक्स्ट कमिंग 6 months. सो 1 साल का पीरियड है अभी भी फॉर दैट एक्चुअल सेटलमेंट ऑफ द बिजनेस टू टेक प्लेस. Right, Ankur, I hope I've answered your question, your query. Jyoti, I've answered your question. Vandana, I've answered you. Revati ji, I have answered you. Okay, Parul M. Agarwal, 31st of May 1982. Career. Parul, I feel you are someone who is at present very very determined to get what you actually want to. Someone who is very single-mindedly just goes ahead, and that striving power is definitely there inside you. So whatever you want, you will achieve it, right? आने वाला टाइम बहुत अच्छा है, कंटेंटमेंट वाला है, न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ वाला है, येस, करियर वाइज. But just take care of your health, because you are taking too much of stress, and that stress can actually start affecting your health, जो कि visible नहीं होगी. काफ़ी टाइम तक you would not be even aware कि yes I have some problem, but वो underlying चीज़ें चलती रहेंगी and एकदम से it will like explode वाली चीज़. So please be careful of your health, and whatever problem does come up, don't take things lightly on your end health wise. Okay, there is definitely problem in the uterus area. Please get it checked from a gynae, because I think it could be PCOD or some menstrual problem, anything, but that particular part is definitely affected. So please be careful of that and get it checked ASAP, because it can create further problems, because that particular part is affected even with the throat gland, and if both are combinedly affected, then there can be a lot of hormonal turbulences happening, which won't be very good for you. So please look into that part, right? Parul. Tamanna Kumar, 22nd of November 1981. network marketing business success. Tamanna, I think it will take time. Please get support. Please get support from your elders. Ask their help. It's not going to be very easy. You will not be, it's not, the path is not very, very swift. There would be a lot of changes happening in the business. They would be, and you would be needing that backup support, right? That was for Tamanna Kumar, 22nd of November 1981. Guys, I just lost the track of time, and I guess I am over time from what Anju ma'am had already told me. So this is me, Vijayata Sethia. Stay tuned with me on my page on Facebook by the name of Being Foresighted by Vijayata Sethia, and I am available for online and video conferencing and numerology, tarot readings, healings. I'm available for all of them. You can always connect there. My number, if you want, you can write my number. My number is 9891919855. So please be connected with me on my page. And I am always going to be connected with the She Connects family, so I am always there. I'm always connected there. So thank you, Anju ma'am, for giving me this opportunity, and thank you each and everyone for giving that confidence, giving me that opportunity to serve you. I'm sorry I could not take. I could just take as many as I could in 1 hour. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.